is a circle, not a flay. So for us to turn it into a flay, we gotta cut out something in between here so that it becomes a flay. So
let's get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh. Listen carefully. Pay attention.
hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make you understand what is called flay. Look at what I mean. Flay. This is flay. Okay, according to Google, it is a gradual widening in shape, especially towards the hem of a garment. So I want you to understand what is flay. Flay at the beginning is smaller. When it is flowing out, it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger until the end of it. So I want to teach you types of flay today and how you're gonna cut and get any shape and type of flay that you want. I think this should be the volume 1, because after this one I'll do another type that will now take you to manipulation and cutting of some kind of special flay. Like in that one, I'll teach you how to make spiral and other shapes of flay. So let's do the normal flay now. In the normal flay, I have to start with, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1,440, 1,400, and number 2 is 1080 degrees flay, and the third one is 720 degrees flay. The fourth one is 360 degrees flay. The fifth one is 180 degrees flay, while the last but not the least is 90 degrees flay. So in this, for you to get number 1, 2, and 3, you have to first understand number 4, which is 360 degrees flay. Yeah. So the first I'm gonna teach here is number 4. Then I'll take you up to the highest, and I'll take you down to 90. Do you get it? Yes. So let's start. So what we are doing now is number 4, which is 360 degrees flay, or you call it umbrella flay, and you can call it full flay. So how do you get this 360 degrees flay? As you can see, I have plain paper here. Flay is not only for top or for, in fact, let me tell you, you can use flay in almost all the styles and types of garments. You can use it on your sleeve, you can use it on your shirts, you can use it on your gown, your trouser, your top, your whatever. You can use it on whatever you can think of. You can use it and design. You can manipulate it and use it as a design on your dress. You can use it and make your frills and flowers. So when I told you I'm gonna do the 360, which is number 4, here, because with this is sort of the starting point. With this knowledge, with the knowledge of 360, when you understand this very well, you can be able to do this, and the rest. So if you want to make your 360, the first thing you do is to fold your paper into 4. It is 2 now. I've folded into 2, and I'll fold it again into 4. So this is what I mean by into 4. Remember, I'm trying to teach you the basic here. So my material now is folded into 4. This is 4 pieces. So for you to make an umbrella flay or 360 degrees flay or full flay, the first thing you do is to take your tape, measure out. This is 8.5. I want to make an umbrella flay. that's 360. This is 8.5. So I want to use that 8.5 and do every other thing here. I mark my 8.5. Remember, I'm just teaching you how to make a flay, not that I'm doing this particular one for trouser or for top or for sleeve, but with this knowledge you can make a beautiful flay for your garment. This is 8.5. So I got to mark the 8.5 throughout. You can see how it's turning out. So this is my 8.5. I'm using freehand because that is, I think it's better you learn how to make use of your freehand. But if you can't do that, you can get your curve like this and use it to join the cardinal points. So that I prefer working with my freehand because I'm used to it and I love it. So this is the flay now, and this flay now is 8.5, 8.5 all through the flay. It's 8.5 all through the flay. So if I cut it like this, if I cut this now, this will give us a perfect circle. But you know, this is a circle, not a flay. So for us to turn it into a flay, we gotta cut out something in between here so that it becomes a flay. So let's fold back and cut out the center to make it flay. So I fold back again. So it depends on what you are doing, but what I'm doing here is not particularly for any piece. It's just for you to know the rudiments of cutting a perfect flay for your design. So I want to use 2 inches to cut out the inside. 2 inches. So I'm gonna measure out 2 inches like I did when I was dotting the 8.5. I have to measure out 2 inches throughout the inside. Measure out my 2 inches. Okay, so this is my 2 inches. I'll have to join it carefully. Join it. So I'll now cut this. If you are making 360 degrees flay, if you are making 360 degree flay and you cut out this place, this inner and the inner did not give you a perfect circle, you did not get it though. Okay, so let's cut this and see what it gives us. Okay. Ooh, this is a perfect circle. So when you now open this, you see your flay. This is 360 degree flay. So you see how it looks when you join this to a sleeve. You see, assuming this is a pencil sleeve that I want to join a flay to the tip, this is what it gives. This is what it will give me. So you can use this and make your skirts. You can use this and make your collar, your cape, your flounce, your frill, your trouser tip, your whatever. So, but just understand that this is how to make your 360 degrees flay. You get it?